Curious about building the websites you visit every day? Welcome to the world of web development. Web developers are the creative minds and technical experts behind each website, ensuring they're visually appealing, functional, and efficient. Web development breaks down into two main areas, front-end and back-end. Front-end developers work with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create everything users see and interact with, while back-end developers focus on server operations, databases, and application logic using languages like Python or Ruby. And for those who want to master both, there's the versatile full-stack developer. A day in the life of a web developer includes coding new features, troubleshooting bugs, and collaborating with designers and other developers. Whether perfecting user interfaces or managing server requests, they ensure the online world functions smoothly. To succeed, web developers need a strong portfolio filled with real-world projects. Hands-on experience like this not only showcases skills but opens doors to new opportunities. Ready to dive into web development? Explore our e-learning platform's web development course, where you'll learn everything from front-end basics to full-stack mastery and build a portfolio that stands out. Check out the link below to start your journey. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech career tips and insights.